In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the author name of a post in WordPress. For example, this post right here, if we view it on the front end, it shows by and then my name. It also shows my name here in the author column. How do we change that to somebody else? Well, first you have to make sure that the person you want to change it to is a user on your site. So if we go to users and then all users, we see all the users that exist here. If the person you want to add as the new author doesn't exist here yet, you can click on add user and create an author role. Just enter a username here, email here, first name, last name, and then a password, and then choose role as author is probably the most ideal one since you want them listed as an author. And then click on add user. And at that point, you'll be able to go over here to posts and add them as a new user. Luckily, I have 2 users on this site already. So I can just go ahead, click on quick edit under author, choose the other author, which has the same name as me, but we can see their username in brackets here, test user. And we update, and now they're the new author. If we refresh out here, we're going to see the new author name listed. And if we click on the link, it goes to this author's author page and not the previous author's author page. So if you wanted to, if you had multiple posts, you could select all of them by checking the boxes beside them, and then under bulk actions, choose edit and apply, and then change the author there as well to all those posts at once. If you want to do that for all the posts on your site, you could check this link or this box right here. It'll select all of them and then do the same thing. And there's one more way you can do this. I just want to show you really quick. If you click on edit to go into editing the post, you have the option of choosing the author as well. Click on this icon here for the settings of the page. Make sure you go to post, and here we have author. Click on it and you can choose the new author from the drop down, then click on save, and the new author is saved. I hope this video helps you. If it does, like and subscribe to let me know. Then check out this video on your screen right now, which shows you how to create new user role capabilities for users on your site. Super powerful video. It's only a few minutes long, so check it out and I'll see you there.